was afraid to come out of the locker. She was as nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what you wore.
What?
It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the locker she wanted to stay.
Oy,
2,
nagulan na.
3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more. It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the blanket she wanted to stay.
Ayun na naman sila, oh. It's only right to think that I did very long and all the time so happy together. Me and you and me, no matter how you toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. So happy together. So happy together. So happy together. Together happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, live from Broadway Central in Malabon City, Baby Babes, G-Force, Curve, Sex Bomb with Brigada Buganda, Martin Escudero, Joseph Binangcol, Glyza De Castro, and the Kitty Girls with your Evie Dabarcads, plus Vic Soto and Joey De Leon.
Saan?
Eto! Wala kaming marinig. Maingay dito.
Wala kami pakialam sa inyo. Dito lang yan!
Sa?
Sa!
Saan?
Together happy!
Bumalik! Promeso! Ihanda mga tungo!
Ito ang EB Babes.
Hindi sex bomb? Hindi ba sex bomb yan?
Hindi. Mukha lang sex bomb. Dahil nagkakaedad na rin.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
Alam mo ba kung ano ang mga laman yan?
Uy, ang nakasort tayo nga nito, parang radar, ha? Mga kaibigan, iba po ang atin bonus ngayon. Paano ba to, pare?
Kung ano man yung lumabas dyan. Kunwari, 3 months.
3 months.
3 buwan kang tatanggap ng 25,550. Pag huli mo yung 12 months,
May 12 months dyan!
meron 1 taon. Buwan-buwan, meron kang 21,550.
Ang ibig mong sabihin, parang pwede na siya magpahinga ng 1 taon, gano'n?
Aba, pwede na.
Wala na munang trabaho.
Oo, after 1 year, trabaho ka ulit.
Ganyan ka lang sa bahay, oh. Sweldo na ba? Sweldo na ba?
Joseph,
Ano nararamdaman mo?
pakiramdaman mo maigi.
Number 3.
Number?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Si
Kilala
Madel.
mo ba yan?
Madel.
Si Madil. Okay. Ilang buwan kaya ang dala ni Madel?
Ilang buwan na? Siguro mga maliit pa, mga 2 buwan pa lang yan, pare.
Oo. Ano? Ha? Liga rito.
Ilang buwan daw ang dala-dala mo?
$21,550. Tingnan natin kung ilang buwan mo tatanggapin to. Eto na, Joseph! 3 months! 3 buwan ka tatanggap ng $21,550. Ang 12 months.
Pwede ba tawagin? Ayun.
Ayun, oh.
12 months na
Kung
si...
ano yung
12 months na si Angel, pare.
12 months ka na ba? 12 months sana. Oo. Okay, may 7, may 5, may 10. Tingnan mo nga naman, no? Yung
Teka, parang yung pinakamaliit na nakuha natin.
7 months ka na. Congratulations, Joseph.
Ang texter naman natin si Ella.